Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Journey with Jalaj. Today we will do the question number 1 of chapter number 16, Practical Geometries, exercise 14.5 of class 6. Today we will learn from Jigar Kaka.
Okay. Let me read the question. Draw line segment AB of length 7.3 cm and find its axis of symmetry. First of all, take a pencil, take a scale, put it on a paper, put two dots at 0 cm and 7.3 cm. Name the first point as A. Second one point should be named as B. Now join these 2 points. Now you have to take protractor, put a pencil in it, as per the rule of mathematics, you have to measure more than half of the length of AB. Now the length of AB is 7.3 cm, so you have to put your pencil at 0 and second point at any number which is more than 3.65 cm. You can put it on 4 cm. Take A point as a reference point and draw a circle. Now, as we know that the radius of this circle is more than the half of the length of AB, that is 3.65 cm, and we have taken radius as 4 cm. Now you have to do the same thing by taking reference point as B. Draw a circle. Okay, we have drawn 2 circles by taking reference points A and B respectively. Both circles are intersecting at 2 points. We will name these 2 points as C and D. Now, these 2 points should be joined. Okay, so now we have made a dotted line which is connecting C to D. Okay, so this line CD, dotted line CD, is intersecting line AB. So you have to put O at the point of intersection. Now we will measure the distance between O and A. What is the distance?
3.6 centimeter.
Okay. Now we will do the same thing. We will measure distance from O to B. What is the answer?
3.6 centimeter.
Okay. As we know that we had made a line segment AB of 7.3 centimeters, and now we are getting point O, which is bisecting these 2 segments in OA and OB. Both these 2 segments have equal lengths as 3.6 centimeters and 3.6 centimeters. There will be error of 0.05 centimeters because of some human error. Okay, so we will neglect it. We will take it as 3.65 centimeter and 3.65 centimeter. Hence, it is completed.
Thank you.
Thank you.